This is ghost towns in Nevada and California, up here in the high Sierras. El Dorado National Forest. Trail to Summit City Canyon. Looking for the old mines that supported the town of Summit City. Upper and lower. Mainly upper. It's the main town. Well, we've been trying to locate this old Peoria mine, which was a pretty good sized producer from reading from Roy Acker's book, Historical Summit City Mining Center, Alpine County, 1860s, which is long out of print, but you can find reprints of it at the Markleyville Visitor Center, Alpine County Visitor Center, or whatever, in the museum whenever they open that back up. We showed you the town site. Today we're closer to Upper Blue Lakes, but we went looking for the old L.M. Short sawmill, which was supposed to be by where the creek flows into Upper Blue Lake from Granite Lake, the creek coming out of the drainage from Granite Lake. And we didn't find one trace of that. We did do a drone flyover the site. So I figured, hell, let's go try the Peoria mine again. I found the outskirts, and my buddy Mikey actually found the mine itself. And here's the waste rock pile. And over that way too. Probably try to get the drone up over these trees and see if we can see anything. I'm going to do a little bit hiking uphill. Mikey found an old shovel head just stuck in the ground. Get you some footage of that in a second. Here's some old timber in the tailing. This is the main waste rock dump. Just looking down the waste rock dump towards the mine, and possibly, and here's this. Oops, shit. Right here on the border of the Mokelumne Wilderness area. But here's where the old shaft was for the Peoria mine, dating from the 1860s. That drone's in there if you want to. I'm going to go up this hill. You said where? Oh, yeah, right there. It kind of looks like more waste rock up there. Probably this is where the adit would have been. But like every other mine shaft up in this country, it's caved in. But I'm going to go up this way, or try to without hurting myself. Oh yeah, looks like we have the glory hole up here. That must be the glory hole. What it's called in Ecker's book. Everything's got to be uphill though. About out of steam hiking up all these hills today. What does this say here? Sensitive area. Contact district ranger before working this area. Okay. Now here's the old Peoria mine. Hey Rogers, this one's for you. Told you we were looking, I told you we struck out, but finally we hit a home run on this one. Tell you what, people, hiking around the high Sierras, looking for these old mine sites and town sites that you can't drive up to is a pain in the butt. Oh, We got another sign, danger. Let's go up this way, read the sign. Danger. Must say open pit. Holy shit. Oh yeah, this is the glory hole here, Mikey. What they in that book, but it says the glory hole. This is it right here. Has a danger sign for this one. Abandoned mine hazards. Oh yeah. They had this thing fenced off at one time. Yeah, this is the main pit right here. I don't think you get the drone over here, but oh fuck. Here's the sign right before the old Peoria main shaft going down, I suspected. Whew. Here's where Forest Service at one time had like a fence around it. Holy crap, that is a fucking hole. Yeah, their little forestry fence didn't work out too good on this one. Yeah, you don't want to fall in, but it'd be easy to get out of this. It's not, it's all collapsed. But here is the old Peoria mine shaft right here. See where they had it fenced off at one time with the barbed wire? Go on the other side to show you. Danger, unsafe mines, stay out, stay alive. California Department of Conservation. There's the old Peoria mine. Here in the high Sierras. This mine was a major producer for the old town of Summit City and the 600 souls that lived there. We struck out on the old sawmill, but we hit a home run on this deal. Shit, that was probably a freaking drop. Mikey's got the drone up in the air, seeing what kind of footage he can get of this old mine from the sky. What happened? You got enough battery? Peoria Mine. There's another one off the list of Summit City, Mokelumne Mining District mines. Glad tidings, and now the Peoria. Next, the Osceola, and maybe one day, if we get really ambitious, a Silver Air, which is on the side of Round Top, which is not going to be fun. Here's the waste rock pile again. Looking down towards the lower adit. This is Ghost Towns of Nevada and California signing out from the old Peoria Mine in Alpine County, California. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. We do our best and we go through some shit to find these places, let me tell you.